Hello students, today we are going to study the same chapter of geography, lesson number 15. Today we are going to discuss some extra question answer of this chapter, maps and map reading. Now first question is, write different components of map. Again, these are 6 extra question answer of lesson 15 subject geography. Now first one is write different components of a map. Now there are 5 main components of a map. Number 1, title, scale, index, directions and conventional signs and symbols. Title, what type of map is, physical map, political map, or any about crops, rainfall, population, scale, actual distance and the distance on the map, index. Now directions, there are 4 main cardinal directions: north, south, east, west. North is always shown on top of a map. Then conventional signs and symbols which make easier to study map. Now next question is define plan. Now what is plan? A plan is a two-dimensional view of an area drawn to a scale. Now again, what is plan? Plan is a two-dimensional view of an area drawn to a scale. Two-dimensional है. फिर what do you mean by sketch? A sketch is a rough drawing. जो sketch है, it is a rough drawing that can be used to show the location of a place. Sketch is not drawn to a scale. It is a rough drawing that can be used to show the location of a place. Now question number 4, what do you mean by cartography? Again, what do you mean by cartography? What is the meaning of cartography? Cartography is the science of preparing and studying maps. Now what is cartography? Cartography is the science of preparing and studying maps. And the person who studies maps is called, or prepare maps is called, cartographer. But in this question it is, what do you mean by cartography? So cartography is the science of preparing and studying maps, and person who prepares and study map is called cartographer. Now what do you mean by cardinal directions? As in earlier video I have also explained you cardinal directions. There are 4 major cardinal directions: north, south, east and west. Now 4 directions on a compass: north, which is denoted by N, south by S, east by E and west by W. These 4 directions are called cardinal directions. Now why conventional signs and symbols used? Why we use these conventional signs and symbols? Now what are there? These symbols, I am talking about conventional signs. These symbols ensure that a map is not congested or confusing. By using these conventional signs and symbols, it make maps which is not congested, भरा हुआ नहीं है और confusing नहीं है. और next, it is easy to understand. So by conventional signs and symbol, it is easy to understand or read map, and it also make map not to look congested or confusing. These are 6 extra question answer of geography lesson 15.